Hey guys, are you also facing problem in logging your daily or weekly or monthly expenses by logging into a computer and entering the details manually, and later on you feel like giving up because of it being too time consuming task? If that is you, believe me, we are in the same boat. I have been doing this for since long, but recently I came up with an idea of developing a very simple app which allows me to log my expense right into my expense sheet with only few taps. And because it's a web app, you do not need to download it or install it on your mobile phone or on a computer. All what you need to have is a Google account and an internet connection. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because I'm making it available to use for free and open source so you can benefit from this. Now, let me walk you through how it works. All right, so this is the web app. You can click on your screen, and this is the sheet ID. The every first of all, every you should know that every Google Sheet has a unique ID. You need to provide the ID of the Google Sheet where you want your expenses to be stored in. Next, you provide the type of expense, let's say grocery, and then you can choose whether you have paid by credit card. I'll explain in a while the good thing about this feature. Leave it unchecked if you have paid by cash or debit card. Enter the amount, let's say 176, and let's say you have spent this amount in Walmart, just an additional info, and then hit add expense, and that's it. Your data goes right into this sheet in your Google expense sheet, and you can see that you have made this expense in Walmart. It's a type of grocery, and you have made an expense of $176, and you made it on 17 July 2023. You can see that you can visualize your expenses in graphical representation, which will give you a better idea of where you're spending your most expenses. And then you can also set your budget or salary by specifying the value in it. Let's say I have, as an example, I have a specified 1,000. It could be a dollar, it could be rupees or whatever. It automatically calculates 341 as a balance, which you have in your account. It also automatically calculates your savings. So this credit due is a feature which I'm going to talk about right now. Is, so for example, if you are in a habit of using only credit card, you may lose track of your purchasing capacity and may spend more than what you can actually afford, and eventually end up paying interest. So this app will help you track the amount you owe and alert you when your purchasing capacity reduces below 25% based on your current balance. So for example, you have a current balance of 341 right now. So let's try making another expense here. So out of 341, let's say you choose to pay, add another expense, let's say other, and let's say you paid by credit card and you purchased a domestic air ticket of let's say $250 or 260, let's say $250, and an air ticket. Okay, and when you hit, you can also add the suggested icon in it, of course, and you can hit add expense, and it calculates your expense and give you a message. So for example, it doesn't give you any prompt message, so it means that your balance is still 25%, your purchasing capacity is still greater than 25 to 50, more than 25%. So you have a balance of 341 and your credit due is 250. Let's try making another purchase again with the paid by credit, and let's say it's a type of dine out, and let's say you purchase of, say, more than okay, $80, and since it's a dine out, let's say pizza. Okay, and you hit add expense, and then you see balance left is 3.23%, and it gives you a message so that you can keep track of what you owe and what you have in your account to avoid paying interest. So this is the good thing about this app, and I'm making it available free for everyone. So make use of it and enjoy. Thank you very much.